National Center for Polar and Ocean Research here at Goa. And I had a very fruitful interaction with the director and the team of officer and the scientists here. I also had interaction with the delegation, our expedition team, who are there at Antarctica. So it was overall a very fruitful visit. And I see this National Center for Polar and Ocean Research here at Goa playing a very critical role in India's future economic activities, because the research work which is being conducted and done here is going to have a huge output in the future. All major activities in the ocean, in the polar region, are going to be on the basis of what is being achieved through research here in this center. This is a beautiful center, and our team of committed officers and scientists here are doing everything. We just need to give them full support. And Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has already had a vision about the blue economy, how much ocean will contribute in India's growth. So this is where ocean becomes a critical area for a country's. Naturally, scientific advancement will have to have the participation of large numbers of private players. The private individual or firms, companies, everybody will have to have a role to play in scientific research. But in India right now, government is taking the lead role, especially in the research for the ocean segment. This is where government is taking the lead role. But in future, if the private people are looking for some kind of collaboration, we will be very happy to get them on board. And in our these expeditions and all, this exploration team, our study team in Antarctica and all, this involves so many universities, all other major institutes have come, participated in collaboration with the NCPR. So we will have to have a door open for everybody.
Sir, with India